Hello everybody, I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to enter your videos on your final presentation. So you're going to want to go over to this link where it says final presentation. You're going to click on here and you can see the link here. So I'm going to click on that and then I want to create a thread. So that's where you're going to put your name and final. So make sure you put your name on here so I know who you are, and everyone else does too. So then here's the problem. I thought we could use this little browse my YouTube videos, and I'm really was having some problems with that tonight. So I'm going to give you kind of a workaround. So if that works for you, great. But if it doesn't, here's how I did it. So I first used my phone right here. I videoed myself and made a quick little video just saying hey to you. So then what I did is I actually on my phone had to download it to YouTube. I have the YouTube app on my phone. So that's kind of how I did it. Hopefully you do too. I just feel like that's the easiest way to go about that. So I downloaded it right to my YouTube account. So now I need to access my YouTube account. So I go to Google. And I have multiple Google accounts, so I need to make sure I'm logged in on the right one. So I go to my UNE one, because this is where you should keep it. If you use it on your personal one, you do, but I like to keep my work stuff separate from my personal stuff because, you know, I YouTube all the time. Not. So anyway, so I'm going to click on to make sure, see this little round L that's that account. It's my UNE account, and then I'm going to go to YouTube. Now, sometimes YouTube doesn't come right up when you click on the little waffle, so I'm going to go to more, and there it is. So I click on YouTube. Now, let me tell you, sometimes you do get kind of booted out of YouTube. I mean, in terms of when, which account, but I look in here, this is the correct account. It's my UNE account. So I'm going to go to that little circle and I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. When I go to YouTube Studio, it's going to give me an option. It's going to actually, here's the video. It says practice, but I can also find it under videos. And when I click on that, there is the practice video. Now I can see it's public. It's great. So I'm going to click on that. And there it is. And I want to get the link to it because I want to send you all the link. I want to put that link. So one way, here's the link right here. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to create thread and I'm going to say, here is my link to my practice video. And then paste it. I might want to make sure it comes up as a link, so I'm going to highlight it. And do you see how that little paperclip thing? That's the link, just to make double sure. Insert. And, yep. And then I hit the submit. I hit the submit button. So now you guys can all see, you say, oh, Lane posted her final. So you're going to click on it. And there's, if I click on that link, it's going to go right to my YouTube video. Hi. And there I am. And now I'm ready to respond. So I'm going to say, hey, great job. That's, really wonderful introduction video, whatever. When you want to reply it, you would hit reply. So I hope this helps. I can help you. I'm pretty good at this sort of. So let me know if you run into any problems. And I hope you find this helpful.